The top 6 vitamins to clean out your fatty liver. Fatty liver disease is a condition that affects over 40% of adults in the US, and it can cause some major health problems over time, such as weight gain, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, and heart problems, to name a few. So what's really going on here? Well, as you can see in this image, your liver is the second largest organ in your body after your skin, and its main job is to filter out toxins from your blood. It also stores nutrients, and it produces a liquid called bile that helps to carry away waste and breaks down fat, along with over 500 other vital functions. Now, the liver usually becomes fatty when people consume too many inflammatory foods and liquids, like sugar, fructose, vegetable oils, alcohol, or too many processed carbohydrates. These foods damage the cells in your liver, causing insulin resistance, and the liver cells then start making more and more fats called triglycerides, which begin to clog up your liver. This can cause you to experience a range of different symptoms, such as pain or tenderness in the right side of your body, especially the shoulder, the right side of your neck, or just on top of your right rib cage. Also, if you have belly fat or a pot-shaped, rounded belly, this is a positive sign that the liver is fatty and fat is now escaping to areas beneath and around your gut. Some people develop spider veins on the skin because the liver isn't filtering out estrogen properly, which weakens the valves in your veins. Also, if you have enlarged or swollen breasts, especially in men like man boobs for example, this means that estrogen levels are too high due to liver damage. If you have an underactive thyroid, this can also be caused by liver damage, as 80% of thyroid hormones are converted inside your liver. And if you've got a swollen right foot, but the left foot is perfectly fine, this is another common sign that there's poor blood circulation from the liver because of all this fat. It's important to note, however, that some people do not experience any symptoms at all for years until the damage starts to get worse. Fatty liver disease can eventually cause the liver to become inflamed, swollen, and scar tissue begins to form inside, leading to fibrosis and cirrhosis, which is a life-threatening situation. Fortunately for us, however, the liver is one of the only organs that can completely repair itself when you follow the right lifestyle habits and you consume the right nutrients. In this video, we will be exploring the top 6 vitamins to clean out fat from your liver and also help to protect it from future damage. You'll also learn about some simple lifestyle changes you can make to fix the root of the problem. Bear in mind that I'm using the words vitamins broadly to include botanical herbs and supplements that you can use to clean out your fatty liver. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Right, the first and most important nutrient for the liver is choline. If you wish, you can take 300 milligrams of CDP choline daily to help strip away stored fat inside the liver and help to reverse fatty liver disease. Choline is one of the best nutrients to use if you have any type of liver damage because it helps your liver to produce bile. Bile is a very important liquid which your body uses to digest fats and remove toxins, helping to break them down and eliminate them from the body. And as a bonus, choline is also essential for building a brain chemical called acetylcholine that helps you to concentrate, sleep better, form new memories, and prevent memory loss with age. I recommend getting as much choline as you can by consuming whole foods like beef liver, organ meats, pasture-raised eggs, shrimp, salmon, scallops, cauliflower, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage. Number 2 is often overlooked but is extremely important: vitamin D. Studies show us that people who have a vitamin D deficiency often suffer from fatty liver disease. Vitamin D is known as the sunshine vitamin because your body makes it when your skin is exposed to the sunlight. There's a wider problem that billions of people are deficient in vitamin D around the world due to working and living indoors, certain genetic mutations, or simply during the winter when there's less sunshine. To boost up your vitamin D, you can take 20,000 international units of vitamin D3 on a daily basis, and make sure to also take 200 micrograms of vitamin K2 in the form called MK7. You need these two together as they work synergistically to enhance the function of your liver, helping to lower inflammation in the liver cells, prevent scar tissue from forming inside, and also to help the liver cells regenerate from existing damage. If you're finding this information helpful at all, please hit the like, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated with my latest health and nutrition tips. Now, number 3 is an extremely powerful remedy called TUDCA. As I mentioned, your liver produces an important liquid called bile, which helps to break down fats and cholesterol in your body and absorb fat-soluble nutrients like vitamins A, D, E, K, etc. Unfortunately, many people are deficient in bile, which makes it difficult to digest fats properly. Eventually, this leads to gallbladder problems, gallstones, nutritional deficiencies, and even pancreatitis if a bile duct gets blocked with one of these stones. This is where TUDCA comes in. TUDCA is a synthetic version of bear bile which has been used for hundreds of years to treat liver problems and digestive issues. You can take 1 to 2 capsules in the morning on an empty stomach with a tall glass of water to help thin out the bile from your liver, helping to clean out fat and eliminate toxins from your body. You can also take 1 or 2 more after each meal during the day to help digest the fats in that particular meal. This will help you a lot if you've had your gallbladder removed. And on to number 4, which is an antioxidant called vitamin E. One of the main jobs for your liver is removing harmful toxins from your body, such as pesticides, heavy metals, environmental pollutants, food additives, drugs, medications, and all of these other chemicals. In order to detoxify and remove these chemicals, the liver makes one of the most powerful antioxidants of all, called glutathione. But if your liver is fatty or it's inflamed, your glutathione levels may drop and toxins can begin building up inside your tissues and your blood, causing immune problems down the line. So to boost up your glutathione, you can load up on vitamin E rich foods such as unroasted sunflower seeds, avocados, almonds, Swiss chard, hazelnuts, and leafy green vegetables. If you want to take a supplement with vitamin E, the best natural source is called Tocotrienols. These are a part of the vitamin E complex that are 50 times stronger than the regular tocopherols, and they can help to dissolve scar tissue and fibrosis in more advanced stages of liver disease. Next up is one of the most powerful herbal remedies for cleansing the liver, one of my favourites, milk thistle. Milk thistle is a herb used for centuries for healing the body, as it contains a group of phytonutrients called Silymarin, which has some very powerful detoxification properties. It's recommended to take dried milk thistle in its whole form spread out 3 times per day to help improve the function of the liver cells. Studies show us that Silymarin helps to lower insulin resistance, which is often the main root cause of a fatty liver in the first place. Milk thistle has been shown to improve liver enzymes, help to detoxify alcohol, medications, poisons, and environmental toxins from your body. And most importantly, it boosts glutathione, the master antioxidant that can prevent your liver from becoming damaged and developing into fibrosis or cirrhosis. Last but by no means least, we have SAMe. Many people develop fatty liver disease and inflammation because they have consumed too many inflammatory foods, toxins, or medicines which have caused free radical damage inside the body. To counter this damage, there is a very powerful compound called SAMe, which you can take in a capsule form at 200 mg per day, and then you can slowly increase it up to 1200 mg per day, spreading these doses out throughout the day. SAMe helps to improve liver function by lowering inflammation and also boosting glutathione levels quite dramatically. Studies show us that this compound helps stage 2 detoxification processes in the liver, where the liver methylates these toxins and poisons from your blood, and it breaks them down into these harmless particles. As you can see, there are some fantastic supplements and nutrients that help to clean out a fatty liver, so try out one or two of these and see which works best for you. Later in the video, we'll explore some simple lifestyle changes that you can make to help strip fat from your liver by triggering certain healing processes. But first, let's go a little deeper and take a look at the underlying root causes of this condition in the first place. The first and most common cause of fatty liver disease is a high-carb diet where you're eating too many foods that contain sugar, starch, or fructose, and this causes the liver to produce more triglycerides and cholesterol. Taking painkillers or antibiotics regularly can also damage the liver cells, causing fat to build up inside. We're talking about things like acetaminophen, ibuprofen, corticosteroids, and other medications. A fatty liver can also be triggered by a deficiency in either choline, niacin, folate, B12 or vitamin D, because these are all involved with liver function. Consuming too many artificial sweeteners can reduce the amount of friendly microbes that live in your gut, which weakens the walls of your intestines and allows endotoxins to circulate back into your blood and cause injury to your liver cells. Drinking too much alcohol is another primary cause of fatty liver disease, along with exposure to certain viruses that cause hepatitis. Now that you understand more about the real causes of fatty liver disease, let's explore 6 lifestyle changes you can make to clean out fat from your liver. 1. Clean up your diet by cutting back on sugary, starchy, and flour-based foods like bread, biscuits, sweets, ketchup, pancakes, pasta, soda drinks, etc. A fatty liver is also very sensitive to fructose, which is fruit sugar, in the same way that it is alcohol, so it's important to stop drinking fruit juices entirely and cut back on sweet fruits. Number 2, instead eat lots of bitter, sulfur-rich foods like leafy greens, artichokes, radishes, garlic, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, mushrooms, pasture-raised eggs, wild salmon, and other oily fish, along with walnuts, onions, scallions, and broccoli sprouts. All of these specific foods are loaded with sulfur and help to strip fat from your liver by boosting glutathione levels and helping to detoxify poisons. 3. Now, I can't stress the importance and the power of this third step enough, so pay attention here. Eat all of your daily calories in a 6-hour window, allowing your body 18 hours to fast each day. I recommend eating all of your food between the hours of 12 to 6 p.m, but you can change this to suit your particular lifestyle. This way of eating is called intermittent fasting or timed eating, and it majorly improves the health of your liver by lowering inflammation and increasing IGF-1. This is a hormone that helps to reduce the new production of fat inside the liver. Fasting every day also stimulates autophagy, where your body cleans out damaged cells and recycles their parts to regenerate new healthy cells in your liver and throughout your body. 4. Drink at least 1 litre of a high-quality mineral water each day to help hydrate your body and thin out your blood, and make it easier for your liver to transport fats to the right places. You can also add freshly squeezed lemon juice to your water to improve the filtration of toxins in your liver. Also, get as many liver cleansing herbs and spices into your diet as possible, like turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, dandelion root, milk thistle, reishi mushrooms, and green tea. 5. Stop eating all of the inflammatory seed oils entirely, such as corn, cottonseed, canola, rapeseed, soy oil, cheaper processed olive oils, etc. Replace these and start eating anti-inflammatory fats instead, from extra virgin olive oil and virgin coconut oil to use in your home-cooked delicious recipes, as these have proven liver protective properties. You can also consume virgin cod liver oil for a boost in omega-3s, or 1 teaspoon of MCT oil per day to support the liver in cleaning out toxins and waste. 6. Thin out the bile produced in your liver and gallbladder by taking a purified bile supplement in the morning, preferably on an empty stomach. You can use TUDCA, purified bile salts, or you can also use a digestive enzyme supplement. Just make sure that it contains ox bile in the ingredients list. Any of these supplements can help to eliminate fats from your liver and prevent the formation of gallbladder stones, which is made from concentrated cholesterol. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about the dangerous foods that cause liver damage and belly fat, go ahead and tap on this video on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching my video today, and as always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.